Hello everyone, my name is Ian and I build websites. Today I'm going to show you how to install Joomla onto a server. I use Joomla for all my websites. It's very powerful. I've never not been able to do anything that a client had asked me to do. So we can do things like set up memberships, shops, pages, embed HTML, all sorts of things. So without further ado, let's go ahead and look at the process for installing Joomla ready for you to build your own website. Now, the first thing you need to do is find a hosting company. You'll need a hosting company that have CPanel. I'm not affiliated to anyone. I don't get any money for recommending hosting companies, but I use unlimited web hosting here in the UK. At the moment, they've got an offer on that's £2.49 a month for 3 months and then £4.99 a month. So if we go down here and look at their basic plan, you'll see that they have CPanel. CPanel for our purposes is the most important thing because that's what we're going to use to install Joomla onto the server. Other useful things on here, things to look out for are a free SSL certificate. So this is your security certificate, keeps you safe on the internet, keeps Google and search engines happy, doesn't get flagged. You won't get flags up on your website saying this is an unsafe site. So definitely need that. Usefully on here, we've got unlimited web space and host unlimited websites as well. So you could have a few websites on here for $2.49 a month, going up to £5 a month. As I say, I'm not necessarily recommending this company, but I use them and the support's pretty good. I can email them and they get back very quickly. Okay, so I'll leave you to set up your hosting account with your chosen hosting provider. When you've done that, and you log in, you'll have access to the CPanel. This is where you can control things on your website like email accounts. So you can set up email accounts. For this one, I've already done one called admin@skakarate.org.uk. But to add email accounts here, just click create. It's all pretty straightforward. Further down, we have the Soft Delicious Apps Installer, and we're going to use this to install Joomla. By far and away the easiest way to do it. So if we click on Joomla here, a little bit of an overview here, so you can click on these tabs, read about Joomla, look at the features, look at a demo, but we want to install it. It's going to install it on the domain skakarate.org.uk. We don't want it in a subdirectory, and here you can select the version of Joomla that you want to install. I guess the old versions are there in case you want to copy an old site over or something, but version 2 is very, very old. Version 3 more recent, but all upgraded now to version 4 and now version 5. Version 4 wasn't around very long, just maybe 6 months, and then upgraded to version 5. But the upgrade from 4 to 5 is really easy, and it's all done from the admin within Joomla. Okay, so let's fill in the details here. It wants a site name, so I'm going to call this SKA Karate, and description I'll call SKA Karate as well. Username I'll keep as admin. I will put in a password here. There we go, and it knows, oh, my real name is Ian, and it knows my email already for admin. So with that all filled in, all we need to do is click Quick Install. Yep, okay, all looks good, and click Install, and off it goes. So this takes just a few seconds to install. Then you get, so it's installed now, and what you get is links to the website itself and the admin panel. I'm going to click on the link to the website. Sometimes it takes a few minutes to appear, so let's give it a go. Yeah, cool, there we are. So this is the front page of the website, and if we go back to Soft Delicious, we can click on the admin panel as well, and there we are in admin. I'll come back to this in a second. So here we've got the front end. What we're going to do over the next few videos is convert this web page into something like this. So I'm going to rebuild this shorikaikarate.co.uk website, which was built in Joomla 3. I'm going to rebuild everything and into Joomla 5. Now I could go into the back end of this and upgrade into the admin panel and upgrade from the Joomla admin panel. There's quite a lot in here. Some stuff's out of date, needs upgrading, so it can make an upgrade from Joomla 3 to 5 a little bit hit and miss. So I'm just going to bite the bullet and rebuild the whole thing and update it and get it looking all really good. Okay, so we're going from that to something like, or even better than this. You'll see on here we've got a shop. We can put in things like membership plugins. On the location pages I've embedded Google Maps, look. Okay, so we'll be doing all of this. If we go back to the back end here, I'll just go through that little tour. Gives you an overview of how to get started with Joomla. This always comes up. The menu here provides access to the administrative management pages. Dashboard panel here. Notifications panel on the home dashboard. Top bar, yeah, okay. And help. Okay, this message comes up here asking if you want to help Joomla to give anonymous data so they can better understand usage, and it all helps to evolve and keep Joomla improving. So yeah, we'll go with that. Okay, those little help panels weren't that useful, so what I'll do is show you physically on here. We've got the dashboard. This is the dashboard. We'll look at things like modules later. So modules are boxes that fit on pages. We can look at things like global configuration. We're going to change the editor on the next video. Here's where you can change the name of the site. Look at the system and the server. I'm going to force HTTPS on the entire site here. Put in the website time zone. So we're obviously London. Well, I'm in Salisbury actually, but London time zone. Yeah, and save and close that. Okay, further down here we've got content. So this is where we add articles, images. So articles will constitute the page content. So every menu item will have content, words, pictures, and these are generally generated through an article. Again, we'll look at that in the next video. We can categorize those so we can control what pages they're seen on. Let's go down to menus. So menus are controlled from here. We only have the one item at the moment, which is home. And we can just click new and add menu items here as we go along. Components. We don't have very many, but there might be backup extensions, membership plugins, forms. So forms that people can fill in, contact forms and so forth, they'll be listed here. Users. The only user at the moment is me. I'm a super user, so I have access to everything and can do anything within the website. And system. The system button is really useful. It's where you can add the extensions that I've been talking about. So if we click on extensions here and go to install from web, the most useful extensions are installed from here. You can go to individual websites and download them, upload them, but this makes it really easy. The most important one to install is a keep a backup, so this will make backups of your website. I use this one, Convert Forms, for creating online forms, and JCE Editor, which I find more powerful than the out-of-box text editor. But we'll look at those on the next video. Okay, so I think that's it for now. We have achieved our outcome of creating a landing page and admin, so that's Joomla fully installed. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments if there are things that you want me to do on the website, like go through adding a shop, online forms and so forth, and I'll be doing weekly videos so we can cover it within those. But again, thanks for watching and see you on the next one. Cheers, bye.